up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Zion and this is Zion Vlogs. And that was the new intro of my channel. So let's get started with today's video.
Few days ago, I was just scrolling through Amazon and then I discovered this brand named as Petron. It was a brand where they had very cool gadgets in very affordable price. Then I just started checking out some of the products and I discovered these, the Petron BassBuds Pro, the sleekest and the lightest. These TWS earbuds offer smart controls, 12 hours of battery life with the case, the latest Bluetooth 5.0. You can also activate Google and Siri through the earbuds. It also has a digital display and a USB Type-C for charging at a very affordable price. So I decided to check these out.
So let's unbox it first. So here's the retail packaging of the Petron BassBuds Pro. The brand logo is at the top and BassBuds Pro True Wireless Stereo Earbuds is written at the bottom. And these are the specifications at the back of the box. If you want to read it, you can pause the video.
It is written BassBuds Pro at the side and True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. So let's unbox the BassBuds Pro. After opening the box, you get a user manual. It has all the information on the product. And beneath that, you get the BassBuds and the charging case for the BassBuds neatly arranged. The case is supposed to have a 300 mAh battery and the BassBuds should have 40 mAh each. Below that you get extra ear tips, small and large, and you also get a USB to Type-C cable. And that's everything you get in the box. Now let's check out the case first. The case looks decent quality. I felt that the hinge was little loose, but it was quite good. Now let's take out the BassBuds. As you can see, they have a round shaped design and the whole thing is a touch panel. Both of them also have indication lights. Let's try them in the case. As you can see, as I have put them in the case, they have started charging and they have a magnetic pin like design to charge them. So that's it for the unboxing.
Let's talk about the BassBuds Pro. They come in this little pebble sized charging case which is used to charge them. So as you can see, they're pretty small, I would say. The quality is decent. They're made up of completely plastic. And talking about the battery life of the case, you can charge the Petron BassBuds Pro fully 3 times. That's what Petron claims. And also they have this little display and I've never ever seen a display in any other earbuds before. Plus these cases are too small. I don't know how Petron did that, but they were able to manage this all in so much affordable price. So talking about the bass buds, they, as I told, they have this round shape design. Both of them have this blue red indication light. How they pair is that first time you have to do it fully manually, the Bluetooth pairing, then they will pair automatically. As if you open and just take them out of the magnetic pin, they'll automatically pair to your device. And you can use it anyway. If you want to use just one, you can use it. If you take them both out, they'll pair each other automatically. And talking about the port, talking about the sound quality, they have a quite decent sound. What you are paying for it, you will be surely satisfied with that. The mids were crisp and clear. The bass is boosted but not very overwhelming. They do have boosted the bass though. So that's about the sound quality. And the volume, I thought it could be more. It is more like on the software side. Otherwise it was quite good. The bass buds have been marked left and right in which ear you want to wear it. So this is the left, this is the right. As you can see, after wearing this, these are really comfortable. They fit in quite tight, and also if I shake my head, it won't fall out. I also tested it, it didn't fall out, and they fit pretty good. As you can see, this is how they look normally. So talking about the microphone on these, the other person couldn't clearly hear while I was calling him, but the microphone is not that great. I wish the microphone would have been a little better. Overall, talking about the performance is quite good. I don't know how did Petron manage to fit an small display in this small case, plus adding an USB Type-C port in this affordable price. So it is quite good. If you want to buy a cheap TWS affordable earbuds, you can go for these, the Petron BassBuds Pro. And also the hinge, I felt it could be more stiff a bit. See, as you can see, it's very loose. If you just tap it, it just falls. It has a magnetic type design. You have to apply some pressure to open it, but then it becomes really loose, which gives it a little cheap feeling, I would say. And at the back of the box, you have got the details of the battery and all that stuff. So that is my review on these Petron BassBuds Pro, the cheap wireless TWS earphones. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and also hit that bell icon for more new awesome videos. And make sure to like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.